nilip chokyola pathua klamalong ingkora pli a song pen rat kaching roma mai ke pha Social welfare sai campaign long jabalong okran ke messenger phan ke chugitu nang je pathak isi chirok toga mai padu BJP West Karbi District Committee Penda Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya phan art chudun Kardom Karbi Prime Time along pendili Philibron Kropi non beer tang ton pen art check tha ingkora plate chingroma song pen chiti ingkora pho arni nilip chokihula high school pathua klamalong rat ka chingromai padopusi card news salong beer tanang pale Six schedule pen inglo so ana khai chirakom nang pa thepi alam pen kipa dorat ka chingrom amayalong so ingkora plea bidisar IAS Saipu barem jai kathar proton terang Samson teron Rajesh Tiso Juna Singh terang Thorom Singh teron lapen Arya sang hupenan parta warklu alu se pojitong dun Mayalong MOS along ki chok chit an ta chen nangji lapen Karbi Anglong Junamas Council aron kimi kaselam along six schedule aron ateng nangji longle philang alam akimi water list ronga sara chakong hayu alam than Social welfare sai campaign long jabalong okpran ke messenger phan kichu nangji pothak isi cherok to mai padu pusi paithalang sopen elitu mai pherang ke jasan inghi card news along beta nang pale o sola pen o so paya phan kichu ra kenang soralam ka chathan japan long jabalong pushana modengsi isi cherok to mai padu long jap panchayat ke parlo anganwadi kendra bang phia phan ke panong amayalong social welfare sai campaign lina gayan sultana jk afrin bhanunath mintu hazarika tumchatong dun Aluhia tum chiti isi arni pen chiti thom kep arni an ke panong pushana chiklo ke talon kinang soraram ka jatong anganwadi atuma phan than pachini Aluhia tum kelong ke joy kia hen dungke gakhir lapen han parusi chonang jipoda ka jatong arar phan than pachini BJP West Karbi Anglong District Committee Penta Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya phan chiki modun pusi paithalang sopen nilituma pherang ke jasan inghi lada katni salong biota nang pale West Karbi Anglong Baichalang Solong Kibado Paroi Sira Hiniang Deng Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya Pirthe Khachani Along Pachaton Dunsi Pandit Upadhyaya Akai Lepen Asaya Puthak Chithanchi Mompon BJP West Karbi Anglong District Committee Amai Phu Arun Tera Rodip Rong Hangpen Chenglok Songalong Arpukitu Abang Phu Bang Phiatum Chatong Dun Namalam Sopor Phan Biotamu Intopanik Sina J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435 925 116. J&J Amandu, Difu Karbi Anglong Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family. Aturkimi outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Aturkimi outlet opposite Langpidangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Please step in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hithi kulat along long pon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang Theso alang kecu ajam tu Tharmit aduk Thelua kreng Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu long pon ikji.
Dihinamo Piputhar Biotalong Bangtholo. Karbi Employees Association at Tumpen Patir Pipon Sinun Hejong Asia Pacific Master Games Malaysia Penangalong Serlapen Tamanong A. Kilong Duna Tumapan Chitini Pa Inkora Chokani Ada Porpai Serkapa Porpen Karcho Saikiding. Kidam tang Chitini Pai Troxy Arni Pen Chitini Pai Crepe Ho Arnian Penangarong Supi Malaysia Long Kipadopon Asia Pacific Master Games along Karbiang Long Pen Bang Cricket Hom Kipatu Natum Ang Bong Pen Serlapen Tamanong A. Kilong Natumapan Karbi Employee Association Natum Pen Karcho Sai Kipadopon Apothak. Karbi Employees Association na Maipu Long Sing Timong Lapen Kong Chun Bang Dilip Rong Piet Pen Pachini.
Ilitum entire Karbiang Long Chotkali Karbi Society Pan Chotkali entire Assam Lapen ke India ahawara pansatami si nongmi kewan labang soni letum kacini lapen ke karjulong lapen ke theklong pen letum tani ngarong piklo la se pini letum ladakh kewang ban ke Karbi Employee Association made Karbi Chokamar asong pen chingwai si letum ajat le pajiri muwe sitami ningkang sam isya kang hon pajir dam nangji pu sikache parai do kadu ko pen pini kadu weta dagdolo me labang so ningkarong thektik do la se Karbi arat pan la sonong mi kewan lapen ke Karbi Anglong lapen ke entire Karbi Society pan siap towar ki jah thek labang geni letum chorore e asi anso se alang le pan aprang ke dam thek lapen monon phi awi tum hasitame abang so sports ahin pen towar ke japen isi monitoring kemisen ang thek kewan thek ya pan si alang litum towar paklang pon thek lage isi kemisen ang thek lo la si alang le pan seme anso se arnam ahin pen seme jakong thorang pidun popusi ning thelo
la Karbi Chokamar asong hanstami ninga klong pen kardon pilo atima alang litum jo nili hemangsi la amana peng nili phanang pe postami alang litum phan nili akero pi parpiglo pengalang litum kamalong kai ke stami arnam le ahir jumi pipiduna
Karbi United Council Pen Chitini Pa Inkora Chok Arin Difu Civil Hospital Blood Bank along Vikat PSI Kepadopona Biota Kartu Sai Hemalong Biota Nangle. The gift of blood is the gift of life. Pathipi N Pen Difu Civil Hospital Blood Bank along Vikach PSI Kepadopon. Karbi United Council Asong Pen Difu Civil Hospital Blood Bank along Vikadure Theglong Selang Litum Asong Pen Vikach PSI Padopon Busipiota Ripton Long. Karbi Prime Time Biota Bangkila Paskang Ton Paniglo Dome Thakme Kurung 2.